Alright, so sorry for yesterday, the last video. It was such a bad quality that not even I could read anything. So if you guys couldn't read anything, go ahead and check the GitHub over here. If I go over here, as you can see, all the codes are already posted up here for that video. So if you need that, then it's right there for you, and it's actually in the description of that video. Let me see. It's gonna be over here, as you can see. All right, yo, what's up, guys? It's Ski or Suki here. Today Gale Blink is right here. So if you guys need that, but anyway, we're gonna get right into this. So what we're gonna be doing is we're going to we're going to tutorial. All right, I'm gonna open this with Adam, as we learned last time. It wasn't because of Adam, so whoopsies. Yeah. Well, anyway, what was I going to do? I was not going to do anything. Okay. Anyway, what I was going to do, or what we are going to do today, is we are going to be adding custom statuses for our bot. Alright. So basically, as for my bot, if we go into the server, as you can see, it says playing blah blah blah, and it's showing online. So I'm going to teach y'all how to do that. It's very simple, and let's get right into it. So we're actually going to be using part of the docs for this. So as you can see, await client didn't change, so we're actually going to just copy this, and we're going to put it right here. Await client.change presence, and this is going to be status. Now our status can be, what is it? Status. So okay, so status. I believe we can figure that out here. Yep, right here. So we can have offline or online, offline, idle, D&D, do not disturb, and invisible. So we're gonna be doing idle first. We're gonna do D&D. So D&D. I do not remember. Do we have to discord.status.idle? Okay, so we have to do discord.status.dnd, right? Should be. Yep. Just like that. Alright. Now, and then we do activity equals so there are multiple things for this. So there is a couple. So down here, no, it's back up here. So there is, let's see. Actually, we are going to have to use Stack Overflow for this. It is right here. So there's playing, there's streaming, there's listening, and there's watching. So these are all of them. So what we can do is what is it? So we're gonna do discord.streaming. So we're gonna say strem equals discord.streaming, correctly, as you can see, discord.streaming, and we're going to put the activity as strem. And actually, it's going to be streaming. What is it? Let's change the activity, and we do name, and this is going to say follow me on Twitch, right? And then it's going to be the URL. So we then do am I doing something wrong? Wait, hold on. Wait, no, I was looking away. Wait, yeah, am I doing something wrong? No, I'm not. Okay. So I just do URL equals, and it's going to be, let's see. Okay. And actually, I am going to go. Actually, no, I do not need to. We're just gonna put your Twitch. So twitch.tv or just any other link. So, like for example, you can do twitch.tv/skeezies, which is my thing, or you could do like my Wix site, I guess. This that was made through Wix, kind of trash though. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is, as you can see, I believe that's gonna be it for that part. There is activity. Yep. Alright. So we should be able to just save this, and then CLS. About syntax. It's going to be because we did not add a comma, I believe. Yep. Oh, I'm so stupid. Never add commas because I'm dummy. There we go. Now it should work. Alright, it's online. And if we go into testes, as you can see, it says streaming. And actually, it's not going to show the idle because it says we're streaming. But if we go to watch, as you can see, it redirects to my Twitch. But as I said earlier, we can also, what is it? HTTPS flush. Here. So we can copy this and paste it here. And we're going to CLS Python bot.py. Sorry if you're talking so slow. I think I hear someone outside my door. 3:30 a.m. Jesus. Alright, as you can see, follow me on Twitter. Okay, that's aside the point, really. So, yeah. Actually, I'm kind of confused, but let's restart that. Strange. So it doesn't actually want to do that, so you might actually have to do Twitch. But what we're going to do is we can do stuff like idle. I'm gonna do like do help. We don't actually have that set up, but you know. And we're actually going to do what were our other options? There is listening. I believe that should be good. Just like that. Actually, it's gonna be weird. But as you can see, if you want to do listening, you have to do the change presence. As you can see right here, await client.change presence, and then you'd put activity in there, Discord activity type, and then the type would be watching or listening. So we're just gonna do playing like this. I'm gonna go ahead and save. And as you can see, if we go ahead and Python bot.py. Oh, it's because I'm used to Discord JS, alright? Even though it's trash, because, I mean, because JavaScript's trash itself. For the most part, it's bad, but there are some good parts. At least in my opinion. For some reason, it's not wanting to We may have to wait a while. That really sucks. Perhaps if we restart it one more time. I can move this out of the way. Well, that's not working. But I'm sure if it went offline. Oh, there it is. As you can see. But for some reason it's saying online. Don't know why it's saying online. It should be saying. How about we try D&D? This is the only really thing that I hate about Python. It's really slow sometimes. Like, it can do practically anything, my guy. It's just... It's very slow and it doesn't respond as fast. Like, I don't know. I'm really hoping for like a discord.gl, which is like Discord Golang. I don't know Golang, but I mean, it'd be fast as shit. Like, I wouldn't even be done typing the command out, and the bot would already say, like, the list of commands. But anyway, it's not actually working, so, I'm sure you guys can fix it on your own, if you just, like, search it up. The Pong command, oh, there you go. It's very delayed, it's still on idle when we have it on D&D. Very, very slow. Let's actually test the ping. Actually, no, I'm gonna leave that to next video. Alright? So, anyway, that's gonna be the end of this, and the end of this video. I'm actually gonna hop off now. I'm not gonna be recording another video till, like, what? If I had to guess, like, 4 p.m. PST, Pacific Standard Time. And actually, it's my father's birthday, so wish him a happy birthday in the comments, and I'll get y'all to it. Peace, chat.